Hey y'all, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can do 3 different protective style wood in one video. I'm showing you guys how you can do a twisted bun, a braided bun, or a fishtail. So as you guys can see here, I'm showing you guys how I blow dried my hair. There's a video down below in the description box if you guys want to see how I did this look. Basically, all I did was blow dry the hair on cool, and then now you guys see me going in with my peppermint oil, and I'm just massaging my scalp. Okay, so now that I have my middle part, I'm molding my ponytail within sections. There's a video down below in the description box where I went step by step. All I'm doing is taking the edge control and then I'm just molding it down into the ponytail. Then you guys will see me go in with my other brush to make sure that the surface is flat. Alright, so now that I have all that hair in a ponytail, you guys see my wax stick, you guys see my ArmoTunez spray, you guys see some mousse, and that is all the products that I will be putting in my hair. The mousse is to make sure that my hair and my flyaways are laid down, as well as the wax stick, and then you guys see me go in with my ArmoTunez spray. I'm just spraying my flyaways down, and then you guys will see me later on tie it with my hair wrap. This is the hair that I will be using for this style. It's down below in the description box. Alright, so for every style, I just take a piece of hair out and I just put it to the front. For the fishtail, I must say it's better on straight hair, not blow dried hair. But with fishtail, all you guys have to do is split your hair and the weave together, like split them apart and then put your hair together as you guys seen here, and then just fishtail it in. Stay tuned for that video. Alright, so now it's time for the twisted bun. All I did was take some of the hair in my hair, I split it into 2 halves, and then now I'm just twisting my hair within the weave, and then you guys will see me take some edge control and put the edge control on my ends to make sure that it's not sticking out. I also go back in and I take some additional weave so that my hair has the same width going all the way down. Now that I have my 2 twists done, all I'm doing is just twisting it to one side, and I'm just going to wrap it around the ponytail, and then I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin, and then I'm going to take the other twist and do the same exact thing. As you guys can see, my hair is flying up. I would have suggested to tie your hair down, or you guys can always go back in with some more product and then just brush that in. So now all I'm doing for the braided bun, I just split it within two as I did with the twist, and then you guys will see me wrap it up. All I did was put both of them together and then wrap them one direction, and then you guys will see me take the other braid and wrap it the opposite direction. You guys can secure it with a ponytail, you guys can secure it with a bobby pin. Now I'm going in with my wax stick. This is just to make sure all my flyaways are gone, because remember my hair was sticking up earlier. And that is it. Tie your hair down and then you guys will see the finished results. Alright y'all, so that is it. That is this video. That is how you achieve a low professional bun. As you guys can see, I am dressed up with my blazer. Honestly, if you guys need a hairstyle for a wedding, if you need a hairstyle for an interview, if you need a hairstyle for the military, this is the best look to go for. I honestly feel like you did not have to do all the molding down. You could have just used gel if you wanted to, but this is something different for me. I was trying to, you know, as you guys seen from the video, do a twist bun, a fishtail, but the best thing for me with my hair texture was me braiding the hair and putting it in a bun. So thank y'all so much. Please like, comment, share, subscribe this video up to your friends. Let them know about Mesha Curlz, what I'm doing on this channel, protective styles, heatless styles, whatever y'all want. Please drop down below in the description box and let them know that every Wednesday and Sunday that I am posting at 2 p.m. I hope you guys have an amazing Wednesday, and I will see y'all later.